Let's say you don't want an espresso, but you want a coffee. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make just a normal coffee with your Ninja Luxe Café. So, to start, we can move this tray, put a taller glass in there for the coffee. Let's turn it on. And then, instead of choosing espresso, we're gonna turn the dial to, let's just do a classic coffee, and you'll press this button to choose your different sizes. So, I don't know, I'm gonna do 14 ounces. Then we'll press go. And it's literally that simple. It's showing the loading bar and it's making your coffee. So it's gonna be a lot more liquid. In the previous video, I made a double shot of espresso. And this, we're making coffee. All right, and we are now complete. Fresh cup of coffee, you're ready to start your day.